Good day, you guys, and welcome back to Rise, Wine, and Dine. Today we are making some beautiful 2-ingredient chocolate covered potato chips. We're using milk chocolate chips today. We're only using about 2 cups maybe of milk chocolate chips. We're going to melt those 30 seconds in the microwave, and you can see here I'm stirring the first time. You have to stir after every time you put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. Depending on your microwave temperature as well, keep that in mind. My microwave was very powerful, and so I only had to put mine in for 2 times. I think it was 2 or 3 times. Anyway, after the second time, I put a little tiny teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil in to make the chocolate go even smoother for the third time in the microwave. And the third time I only put it in for 10 seconds, you guys, the chocolate. And you can see right here we have the perfect consistency right here. This is after I put in the coconut oil, and so it starts to come back to a really nice consistency here now, right here. Beautiful chocolate ready to be dipped all over our potato chips. So we're gonna pick our favorite potato chips, whatever you want to use. Today I use sour cream and onion. We're gonna take them out one by one, and we're gonna dip them into this beautiful chocolate, melted chocolate, you guys. Drip off any excess chocolate, place them onto your parchment lined baking sheet, like so. And as soon as you get all your potato chips dipped into your chocolate, you want to keep in mind that this is the time now to put on any Christmas sprinkles, which would make this recipe a 3-ingredient recipe. But if you don't want the sprinkles, it's definitely a 2-ingredient recipe. Here we have the Christmas sprinkles. We're going to place on or shake on. It takes a bit of time to do this step too, you guys. So just take your time and have fun with it. Shake, 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 shake. Here I'm using the green candy sugar, and I'm using the red candy sugar next as well. But for the most part in this video, you guys, I went back to my red, white, and green Christmas sprinkles, because that's what I really like, that combination. Here's the finished product. Absolutely beautiful. Have a Merry Christmas, you guys. Stay blessed.